Hello, 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 hello. So, hello, my dear student. How are you? I hope all of you are well and doing good. So, today I'm going to start new topic, that is inventory control in your Abhyas batch, right? So, as you know, the inventory topic is very important, right? So, I have taken selected questions, okay, a lengthy question, so that in one question you will solve multiple thing, right? You will solve multiple thing. So let's start today's lecture with the question. Let's start this lecture. So this is your question number 1. Please see and please read out carefully. Please read out carefully what it says, and whatever be the necessary data, please note down, right? Whatever be the necessary data, you can note down. In a gate, this question can be asked, okay, 4 type of question you can I can ask from this common data, right? So in a one single question we are dealing 4 different questions. One single data we are going to use in 4 different questions, right? So what it say, a particle item has a demand of 9,000 unit per year. He says that there is a demand of what? 9,000 unit per year, right? 9,000 unit per year. Okay, so here basically he wants to say that the demand is what? Here the demand is what? Here the demand is basically, here the demand is what? 9,000 unit per year. So it will be 9,000 unit per year, right? 9,000 unit per year demand is given to us. Demand is given to us. The cost of one procurement is rupees 100. Now what do you mean by the procurement here? Can anybody tell me what do you mean by the procurement? He say that the cost of one procurement is what? 100 rupees. So you have to figure it out, what do you mean by a procurement cost? And it is clear that holding cost per unit is rupees 2.4. okay, it is clear that holding cost is what? 2.4. but I want to know that what is the procurement cost, right? I want to know what is the procurement cost. And your holding cost, it is clear that your holding cost is what? Rupees 2.4, rupees 2.4, okay, per unit, per unit, per unit per year, right? Per year. Okay, the replacement is instantaneous and no shortage are allowed. The replacement is what? Instantaneous, and here no shortage are allowed. What do you mean by the cost of one procurement, my dear? You haven't told me yet. What do you mean by the cost of one procurement? Anybody who's going to tell me? Yes, anybody who's going to tell me what do you mean by the procurement cost? Anybody? My dear, the procurement cost is that basically this is the procurement cost, that is what? C naught. So here C naught is what? The C naught basically your ordering cost. It is what? It is rupees 100 per order. 100 per order. Procurement means gathering cost. Procurement means what? Gathering cost. Okay, Mohit Gupta, ordering cost. Very good. Yes, it's a ordering cost. Very good. So economic lot size, right? So economic lot size, single time ordering cost. Very good. So what will be the economic lot size? Can we figure it out? The economic lot size, we have to find, okay, we have to find economic lot size. So solution part 1, right? Part 1. So here I'm going to do the solution. Part 1. What is the economic lot size? Do you know the formula? Economic order quantity. As you know, the economic order quantity equal to, okay, equal to root 2 C naught into demand divided by what? CH. Am I clear? Root 2 C naught into demand by CS by CH. So here you have to be remember that whatever the unit we are using, we have to put in the same. I mean, all are what? Per year. So when you are going to put root 2 C naught is what? That is 100 rupees 100, and demand is what, my dear? Here demand is 9,000 unit per year. 9,000 unit per year. 9,000 unit per year. Divide by CH. CH is what? 2.4. 2.4. When you solve this, you will get how much? 866, 7 or 6. Let me calculate here. 2 into 100 into 9,000. Answer divided by 2.4. Root of answer. It will, oh my god, 2 into 100 into 9,000. Answer divided by 2.4. Root of answer. It will become 866. It will become 866.025 unit, right? 0.5 unit. That much unit per procurement. That much unit per procurement means per order, right? That is what? Per order. So approximately you can write that it will be 866 units, okay, 866 unit per order. Am I clear? 866 unit per order. So here we get the answer of the first part. Now let me solve the second part. What it say for the second part? What it says for the second part? He says for the second part, the number of order per year. How many number of order per year? My dear, the number of order, okay, the number of order per year, number of order, number of order, let's say I'm going to represent it by N naught. The number of order will be what? Total demand annually, annual total demand divided by economic order quantity. Number demand divided by economic order quantity. Demand is what? 9,000 divided by 866. Now this number of order will become, okay, this number of order, that is what your answer, 9,000 divided by answer. So it will become 10.34, 10.4. Okay, it will become number of order 10.4, right? 10.4 orders, 10.4 orders, 10.4 orders per year, right? 10.4 orders per year. Am I clear? 10.4 orders per year. Now he want to know, suppose that if I have to, you know, if I have to write the answer in the exam, then I'm going to approximate it. But my dear, I have to use this data in the next question. So you cannot approximate in between the solution. Please remember my statement. Suppose if you have to write this data directly into the exam, then it's okay. But if you are using number of order in the next question, so you don't have to round off this thing. You have to use this thing as it is in the next question, right? So in the next question, what he is asking, the time between order. What will be the time between order? Here the third part, here the third part, that is the time between order. The time between order, let's say it will be T naught. Let's say it will be T naught and equal to what? 1 by N naught. but it will become in year, right? When you are going to write 1 by 10.4, it will become year. Okay, year per order. Year per order, so you have to multiply by month 12 divided by 10.4 months. Am I clear? So here you will get the time period, that is not a 35, my dear. You have to find out in month only, right? So 12 divided by 10.4, it will become 1.15 month, 1.15 months, 1.15 months, right? 1.15 months. Okay, between the order, 1.15 months between the order, right? Between the order. Okay, so your second part is done, your third part is done. Now the fourth part is says the total cost per year if the cost of 1 unit is 1 rupees. So what will be the total cost? Good morning to all. What will be the total cost? My dear, the total cost is what? Total cost equal to your purchasing cost plus total stocking cost. Okay, total stocking cost. Generally you are taking the you want to determine that total stocking cost. Okay, total stocking cost. Okay, minimum, because you are using the economic lot side, so total stocking cost will be dependent on your economic quantity. Okay, yeah, it's okay. Mohit, if he wants to know in the number of days, then you can convert into the number of days. Not a worry, right? Not a worry. Number of days, if you want to calculate, then it's okay, right? It will be nearby 35. Your answer is also right in the terms of number of day. So purchasing cost equal to what? Purchasing price into demand plus total stocking cost minimum, that is what? Root 2, okay, C naught D, root C naught D into CH. So it will give you the total cost. So purchasing price is what? 1, demand is what? 9,000 plus root of 2 into C naught is what? C naught is 100 into 9,000 into your CH, that is 0.4, that is 2.4. So how much it will be? It will become 11,080. It will become root of 2 into 100 into 9,000 into 2.4, right? So it answer plus 9,000, it will become 11,078.46 rupees. Okay, per year. Rupees per year, that will be what? That will be the total cost. Is that question is clear? Is that any doubt in this question? I hope this question is crystal clear. And here is the solution. This question can be asked in 4 ways, right? Let's say the question can be asked in MSQ also, right? In MSQ also. Now let's move to the next question. My dear. Now let's move to the next question. Yes, please. There will be one line is missing, so I'm going to complete this question here. I have to write that the wholesaler, actually this there are some data is missing. The wholesaler finances inventory investment, okay, inventory investment by paying its holding company 2%, holding company percent monthly, holding 2% monthly for borrowed funds, for borrowed funds, for borrowed funds, find economic order quantity, find economic order quantity and frequency of order, and frequency of order, frequency of order assuming 250, how many week you have to take, assuming 250 weekday in a year, 250 weekdays in a year, right? Now please solve this question, please solve this question, please solve this question. Please solve this question. It's a very good question. Okay, very important question. Important question. It's a very important question. So please try to solve this question. Yes. Yes, please solve this question. It's a very good question. I can solve, but it is more important that you should put your effort. You should put your effort, right? It's an important question. It's an important question, but it is necessary that you should put your effort. Then it will be more beneficial for you. Then the Abhyas batch is more beneficial for you. In Abhyas batch, suppose that I am giving the question and I am solving the question, then there is no benefit. The benefit of this batch is that if I am giving some question and you are solving some of the part, not all, okay, if you solve all the question, then it's a good. But if you are able to solve some of the question, then it's also good. Okay, and where we are going to stuck while solving the question, I will help, right? So that is the purpose of the Abhyas batch, right? So that is the purpose of the Abhyas batch, and it's a very good question. Please try. Please try. Yes. At least tell me the economic order quantity, what you are getting. At least tell me the economic order quantity, what you are getting. At least tell me the economic order quantity, what you are getting, my dear. At least tell me the economic order quantity, what you are getting. Tell me the economic order quantity, what you are getting. Yes. Yes. What is the economic order quantity according to you? Or shall I solve the question? I will give you 3 more minutes. I will give you 3 more minutes. Within a 3 minutes, please tell me the economic order quantity. Within a 3 minute, please tell me the economic order quantity. A lot of students are there, and at least I want one answer from you. At least At least one should give the answer. Let's see who is going to give the answer. Whether Mohit, Harshit, Prabhakar. Who is going to give the answer? Let's see. Yes, Prabhakar. Yes, Mohit. Harshit. According to you, what is the answer? Tell me. Calculating? Facing any difficulty? Facing any difficulty to find out the meaning of any word? Or to find out the any technical thing? Yes? So, your 2 minutes is remaining. Your 2 minutes is remaining, my dear. 2 minutes are remaining. Also, within this single question, I'm going to ask you. I ask in this question. I ask in a single question basically 3 sub question. Here you have to find the economic order quantity. Here you have to find the number of order, and here you have to find the order cycle. Okay, the time between in the successive order. The time between in the successive order. Let's see who is going to give the answer. If you are able to give one answer, that is economic order quantity, then you will give all the answer. But here the difficult phase is how to find the economic order quantity, because here some type of some technical thing is there which you have to catch to solve this question. Let's see who is going to catch this thing. Your 1 minute is left, my dear. After 1 minute I am going to solve this question. After 1 minute I am going to solve this question. Right? After 1 minute I am going to solve this question. It's 11:21. At 11:22. After 11:22. Oh, it's 11:22. So at 11:23 I am going to solve this question. Now the time is 11:22. At 11:23 I am going to solve this question. I am going to solve this question, my dear. I am going to solve this question. I am going to solve this question. I am going to solve this question. Yes. Yes. Nobody has calculated right yet now. Yes, Mohit, Prabhakar, Harshit. Now 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. And its time is over. Okay, let me solve. My dear, what he is saying? He has given you a wholesaler supply 30 stuffed doll each weekday. Each weekday he supplies. First of all, try to understand the question. First of all, try to understand the question. What he'd say? 30 stuffed doll. Okay, each weekday to various shops. And how many weekdays he is supplying? He supplying for 250 weekdays in a year. So what will be the annual demand? What will be the annual demand, my dear? Here the annual demand will be, okay, here the annual demand will be 250 into 30. 250 into 30 and 76. Okay, it will become 7500 units per year. Tell me yes or no. Tell me yes or no. This is what? This is the annual demand. Now the unit cost of purchase. Now the unit cost of purchase. You also need maybe unit cost. Yes, it is required. Unit cost of purchase. Unit cost of purchase. Unit cost of purchase, right? What will be the unit cost of purchase? Let's say the unit cost of purchase will be represented by P. What it will be? What it will be? If it is represented by P, then what it will be? He say that 1200, basically a lot of 120 each of, there is a lot of 120, right? And the lot size is what? 1200. So unit price of per doll is what? 1200, okay, rupees divided by 120, it will become 10 rupees per unit. 10 rupees per unit, right? Now the question is ordering cost. Now the question is ordering cost. Ordering cost. Now the question is, how can we find the ordering cost? Please read it carefully. What he say? Every order incurs handling charge of 60 plus a frightened charge of 250 per lot. Whatever is the cost, basically he has break the ordering cost in two parts. He has break the ordering cost in two parts, that is 60 plus a charge of 250 per lot. Okay, means per lot you are charging this, okay, per lot you are charging extra, okay, per lot means per order. My dear, per lot means what? Per order. 60 rupees per order, 250 rupees per order. So basically here ordering cost is what? Ordering cost is your 60 plus 250, okay, per order. Am I clear? So it will become 310 rupees per order. So this is what? This is the ordering cost. Yes or no? Right, this is what? This is the ordering cost. Now inventory carry cost. My dear, listen me carefully. Here carrying cost, okay, inventory carrying cost. Inventory carrying cost. Now what is that inventory carrying cost? That is what? Your CS, right? That is what? Your CS, holding cost. Okay, what he says that, you have to listen it carefully. Okay, what he says that, let me read out the incremental cost. Okay, multiple, please read out. Multiple and fractional lots also can be ordered, and all order are filled the next day. Okay, the incremental cost is rupees 0.6 per year to store a doll in the inventory. There is a incremental cost, I mean there is a storage cost, that is 0.6 per year per lot. So this is what? 0.6 plus. Is there any cost? Is there any cost? To basically this is the general charge. This is a general charge which a handler is going to take apart from extra holding, apart from extra carrying cost, right? Extra carrying cost. And what is this? Let me read out fully. Okay, a wholesaler. Now wholesaler finance inventory investment. Wholesaler finance inventory investment by paying its holding company 2% monthly. 2% monthly he is giving for a carrying cost. I mean 2% monthly he is giving for a carrying cost. So 2% monthly. 2% of what? Basically 2% of your purchasing price. 2%, okay, of purchasing. So 2%, that is 2 by what? 2 by 100 into purchasing price, what? 10. My dear, but it is a monthly, and this cost is what? Annually 0.6 per year to store a doll in the inventory. So here you have to multiply basically 12 for 12 months, that is a year. So it will give you what? It will give you what? The total inventory carrying cost. Total inventory carrying cost. So it comes actually it's a point, 0.6. So here this one cancel. Okay, 24, what it will become, let me calculate. 24 divided by 10, answer plus 0.6, it will be rupees 3 per unit per year. Yes, this is a twist. This is a twist. Yes, tell me. This is a twist in this question, right? This is a twist in this question. Now you have the holding cost, ordering cost, all the data you have. What do you have to find? Economic order quantity. So my dear, economic order quantity is what? Root of 2 into C naught into D divided by what? CH divided by CH, that is a holding cost. Okay, that is what? That is CH, right? CH. So here 2 into C naught is what? 310. 310 into demand is what? 75 000 75 000 divided by what? Divided by your 3. Am I clear? Divided by what? Divided by 3. So here 2 into 310 into 75 sorry, not a 000, it's a 00, right? Not a 000, it's a 00, right? It's a 00. It's a 00. It's a 00, right? 7500. So answer divided by 3, root of answer, my dear, 1244. It comes 1244.98. Okay, it comes 1244.989. So you can approximate here, because this unit per order is nearby, very close to 1245. 1244.989 is very nearer to the unit of 1245. So 1245 you can approximate as 1245 units per order, my dear, per order, right? Per order. Now once you get the order, then you have to find out the number of order. How can you find the number of order? The number of order can be find out, number of order, that is what? Demand divided by economic order quantity. Demand is what? 7500, economic order quantity 1245. So the number of order will become 7500 divided by 1245. It will become 6.024. So approximately 6.024 orders per year. You can approximate as 6, because it is very nearer to 6. Very near to 6 order per year, right? Now the time between the successive order, right? You have to find time between the successive order. Time between successive order. Time between the successive order. Okay, order. So what it will be? Let's say T naught. Number of order, let's say it is what? N naught, and time between the successive order is T naught. It will be what? 1 by N naught, 1 by 6. Here it comes per year. Here it comes per year. You have to find per month. So multiply 12. So it will be give month wise. So it will become 2 months. So here the time between is what? 2 months. Am I clear, my dear? Suppose that if you want to understand this concept with the help of what? With the help of graph. With the help of graph, then how can you draw the graph? This is the graph, my dear. Okay, this is a graph that I am drawing here. This is the graph that I am drawing here. So 6 month, basically what he is saying, that he is saying this is what inventory, this is the inventory, right? This is what, this is the time, this is the time, this is the time, and this is the model of economic order quantity with no discount, with no discount and with no shortest, with no discount and with no shortest. And here inventory will build up in a short interval of time. Here inventory is going to build up in a short interval of time. So here you can see that inventory is going to build up in a short interval of time, right? Inventory is going to build up in a short interval of time. So this is the economic order quantity which you ordered. This is what? This is economic order quantity which you order, right my dear? This is the economic order quantity which you order, right? Which you order. See here. See, a similar cycle is going to be what produces. This is the cycle. Here you can see economic order quantity, and this is what? This is the cycle. This is the cycle, right? This is the cycle. Okay, 6 months, 6 months, and the next cycle 6 months, 6 months. Right? Understood? Understood? Okay. Now let's move to the next question. This is a discount, basically discount model. So 2 questions we have seen for the economic order quantity. 2 questions we have seen for the economic order quantity. Now the next question is for discount model. Now the next question is from the discount model. Yes. Please solve. I'm going to give you 5 minutes. If there is any stop watch, then I will start that stopwatch. Timer is not there. Five-minute timers. Here I am going to provide you. Within a 5 minutes, you have to solve this question. So in front of you, timer is running out. Okay, timer is running, so you can see. So take your time, because in the gate you have to solve this question within a 5 minute. In the gate you have to solve this question in a 5 minute, right? Basically it is what? Economic order quantity model with a quantity discount, right? It is a model of what? Economic order quantity model with quantity discount. Generally supplier commonly offer, as you know my dear, supplier commonly offer a quantity discount for sufficiently large number of units, right? Large number of units purchase at once. So the basic objective behind this model is to minimize the total material cost per year. If you minimize the total material cost, if you able to minimize the total material cost, then here according to that you can select the discount model. The total material cost will be minimizes according to the economic lot size. So first of all find out the economic order quantity also, and find out whether on the economic model are you getting minimum total cost. Are you getting minimum total cost? If yes, then select that model. If yes, then select that model, right? If yes, then select that model, my dear. Right? Yes. So what I told you that supplier in this type of problem, supplier commonly offer a quantity discount, right? Supplier commonly offer a quantity discount for sufficiently large number of units, okay, large number of units purchased at once. The basic objective behind the model, the model is to minimize the total material cost per year. So according to that, find out the discount model, which model you are going to select, right? Which model you are going to select. Yes, 2 minutes is remaining. Your time is running out. 2 minutes is remaining. Time is running out. 2 minutes is remaining, my dear. One minute, 30 seconds. Yes. 1 minute, 30 seconds. Yes, my dear. Yes. 1 minute is remaining. I think I have to solve the question. I think I have to solve the question. Yes, dear. Your time is going to up. 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 99. Oh my God. Here answer come from Roshan Kumar, that is a 99. Okay. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So your time is up. Okay? Your time is up. Got it? Your time is up. Now let me solve. My dear, the basic idea behind is that what I told you, you have to decide this model is what? This model is what? Economic order quantity with discount model. Generally discount model, along with discount model, we also see the economic order quantity. Am I right or wrong? So this model tells us economic order quantity with discount. Economic order quantity with discount. Am I clear? Now find out first of all the economic order quantity in each okay model, in each range you should find out the economic order quantity. For that, what I am going to do here, I am going to find the economic order quantity, right? Calculating economic order quantity, calculating economic order quantity. Okay, economic order quantity, taking purchasing price equal to rupees 38 per unit. Purchasing price 38 rupees per unit. Now he is saying that the holding cost is percentage equal to 38%. So it is clear that the holding cost is purchasing price into 18 divided by what? 100. So this is what? This is the holding cost. Am I clear? This is what? This is the holding cost. Okay. Demand is known as 10 item per week, and we are doing for annually, right? We are doing for annually. We know that 10 item per week. Number of week 52. Okay, 52 week in a year. So annual demand is what? 52 into what? 10 item. So it will become what? 520 unit per year. 520 unit per year. Yes or no? Right, 520 unit per year. Now calculate the economic order quantity. Right, calculate the economic order quantity at P equal to 38 rupees per unit. So here holding cost will be what? Holding cost will be what? That is your 38 into 0.18 rupees per unit per year. Rupees per unit per year. Okay. So economic order quantity according to you is for this purchasing price is 2 into C naught. C naught is what? That is the ordering cost. Ordering cost is what? Is that given? Yes, ordering cost is what? 100 per order. 100 per order. So 2 into 100 into demand, that is 520, divide by CH, that is 38 into 0.18. Now how much it will become? It will become nearby or approximated 123 units. Right, 123 units per order. Means according to economic order quantity, you want to purchase 123 unit at a purchasing price of what? 38. Will you get this quantity at this purchasing price? Tell me yes or no. Will you get this quantity at this purchasing price? Tell me yes or no. Tell me yaar, yes or no. Will you get this unit at this purchasing price? Will you get this number of unit at this purchasing price? Tell me yes or no. Either say yes or either say no. You have to say yes or no. Tell me when you will you get 123 units? Will you get 123 units per order at a purchasing price of 38? No, because my dear, at 38 rupees per unit, you have to take 500 plus unit. 500 plus unit. So it is worthless. It is worthless to check the discount or to check the total cost. It is worthless to check the total cost at 123 unit at a purchasing price of 130 at a purchasing price of 38. So not in range. Not in range. So not in range means there is no use to find out. There is no use to find out the total material cost for at this unit at a purchasing price of what? 38. Okay. Now second, calculate or calculating economic order quantity taking purchasing price of what? 39. Purchasing price of what? 39 rupees per unit. So my dear, according to that, the holding cost will be rupees 39 into 0.18 per unit per year. Now according to that, the economic order quantity at that purchasing price will be, it will be 2 into C naught, that is 100 into 520 divide by 39 into 0.18 into 0.18. So what will be the economic order quantity? You will get nearby 121 units per order, right, per order. So tell me, will you get this number of unit? Will you get this number of unit at a purchasing price of 39? Will you get 121 unit at a purchasing price of 39? According to economic order quantity, will you purchase 121 unit at a purchasing price of 39 from the wholesaler? No, because wholesaler will give you unit price of 39 only when your number of quantities should be greater than equal to what? 250. So again, there is worth less to find the total material cost. not in range, not in range, right? Not in range. There is a worthless to find out the total material cost at this unit at a purchasing price of what? 39, my dear, 39. Now the third one, calculate or calculating economic order quantity taking purchasing price of what? Purchasing price of 40. Purchasing price of what? 40, my dear. Rupees 40 per unit. Right? 40 per unit. So according to this, your CH will be what? Rupees 40 into 0.18 per unit per year. Right? Per year. So what will be the economic order quantity? What will be the economic order quantity according to this? What happened? Do you want to open a folder? Cancel. Oh God. Okay. Yes. So here, see. So 2 into 100 into 520 divide by 40 into 0.18, right? How much economic order quantity will you get? How much economic order quantity will you get? Just a minute. I just forget 39.6. Sorry, I just forget 39.6. First of all, let me calculate the 39.6. Sorry, 39. Sorry, instead of 40, find out 39.6. 39.6. Find out 39.6. Right, find out 39.6 rupees. 39.6 into, and here also find out 39.6. 39.6 into 0.18. So what will be the economic order quantity? The economic order quantity, again it will become 121 unit. 121 units per year. My dear, it is here. You will get 121 units at a purchasing price of 39.6 because wholesaler is ready. Wholesaler is ready to give a unit, to give a purchasing price 39.6 when you are going to purchase more than 100 plus unit, right? More than 100 plus unit. So you can find out the total material cost. You can find out the total material cost at this range also. You can find out the total material cost at this range also. Am I clear? Now here there is no use to find out the economic order quantity for 40. If you want, you can. If you want, it's up to your wish. If you want, okay. Calculating economic order quantity at purchasing price rupees 40 per unit. It means your holding cost will be 40, okay, into 0.18 per unit per year, right? Per unit per year. So here the economic order quantity will be 2, ordering cost 100, demand 520, divide by 40 into 0.18. 0.18, let me calculate how much it is coming. 2 into 100 into 520, answer, divide by 40 into 0.18, it will become answer root, my dear, 120.120, okay, 120 unit. My dear, are you full? You are going to purchase 120 unit at a unit price of 40. Here wholesaler is ready to give purchasing price of 39.6 rupees when you are going to buy 100 plus quantity. Why should I purchase 120 quantity at a unit price of 40? So this is totally worthless. Am I clear? So this is totally worthless. Now Now my dear, find total material cost. Find total material cost, right? Total material cost. Now the total material cost, find out the total material cost at the, according to, now you have to find out total material cost according to what? According to the wholesaler. According to the wholesaler, okay, wholesaler is ready to give you unit price 38 rupees when you are going to purchase 500 plus. Let's say the minimum quantity which you are going to purchase is what? 500, let's say. So according to 500, find out the total material cost. So when the quantity, let's say the minimum quantity is 500 units, 500 units at the purchasing price of what? Rupees 38 per unit. 38 per unit. Then the total material cost is what, my dear? Tell me, what is the total material cost? Total material cost is purchasing price into demand, number of order, D by what? Number of order, D by, okay, quantity which you are going to order, D by Q into what? C naught CH. Yes, tell me, is that right? Is that right? Now holding cost, you have to find the holding cost also. So holding cost will be what? Q divided by 2 into CH, right? So this is the formula which you have to learn always. So purchasing price is what? 38. Purchasing price is what? 38. Demand is what? 520. Demand is what? 520. You are taking a quantity of what? 500. Your ordering cost is what? 100. You are taking how much quantity? 500. Divide by 2. Divide by 2, right? Your holding cost is what? That is 38 into 0.18. Am I clear? Am I clear? So my dear, at 500, how much cost you are getting? I think you will get rupees 21. You will get rupees 21574. 21574 per year. Similarly, find out the total material cost when your quantity, according to the purchasing price, when your quantity 250, according to the purchasing price 39, you want that purchasing price. According to the wholesaler, you want that purchasing price. So according to the wholesaler, you have to buy at least 250 units. Okay, 250 units. So 250 units at the rate of purchasing price 39 per unit. 39 per unit. Okay, my dear. When you are going to calculate this, you will get 21 rupees 213 rupees 21366 366. Also find out the total material cost Q equal to at the quantity my dear 100. When you want this purchasing unit, when you want this purchasing price per unit, then you have to take minimum what? 100 according to the wholesaler. So Q equal to what? 100 units at the purchasing price of what? 39.6 per unit. So what will be the cost, my dear? What will be the cost? The cost will be your rupees 214, okay, 53, rupees 21453. Now your EOQ is satisfied. Your EOQ is satisfied with the what? Wholesaler. So find out total material cost at your EOQ. What is your EOQ? Your EOQ is what? 121 at a purchasing price of 39.6. Wholesaler is ready to give you that much unit at a 39.6 rupees. So Q equal to 121 at the rate of purchasing price is what? 39.6, okay, per unit, right? Rupees per unit. So it will become out how much? It will become how much, my dear? It will be okay, 121. Sorry here. At a purchasing price Q equal to 100 unit, P 39.6. It will become 39.6 100. 121 now. So it will become 21 rupees 214. It will become 21453. 21453. And for 100 units, it will become 21468. 21468. Now tell me, which is the minimum cost? Which is the minimum total material cost? What is the minimum total material cost? Tell me, what is the minimum total material cost? What is the minimum total material cost? Is that not this? Rupees 21366 at a unit price of 39 rupees per unit when you are going to buy 250 units. So here total material cost is minimized in this range. So your model, so your purchasing quantity is what? 250 at the unit price of what? 39 rupees 39 per unit. Is that point is clear? Is that point is clear? Yes or no? Tell me. Is that point is clear? Yes or no? Tell me, my dear. Is that point is clear? So you have to select this one, okay, for your discount model. For your discount model. Array, tell me, yaar, is that point is clear or not? Is that point is clear or not? Is that point is clear or not? Tell me. Yes. Yes. So, shall we move? Shall we move? Shall we move to the next question? Shall we move to the next question? Okay. This is a very simple question. Try yourself. Very simple question. I'm not going to solve this question. I'm not going to solve this question. Try your own. Four minutes is sufficient for this question. 4 minutes is sufficient for this question. Please solve. 4 minutes is sufficient for this question. Yes, solve. 4 minutes is sufficient for this question. 4 minutes is sufficient for this question. Yes. Let's see who is going to give the answer. For which quantity you are going to select at what unit price? Which quantity you are going to select at what unit price? Which quantity you are going to select at what unit price? 2 minutes 40 seconds. 2 minutes 40 seconds. Yes. You are saying 10, Harshit. Beta, please check your answer, yaar. Please take your time. Huh? Why are you in hurry? Why are you in hurry? Why are you in hurry? Yes. Yes. So your time is going to up. Your time is going to up, my dear. Your time is going to up 40, 40, 39. Yes. No, sir. I am saying we have to purchase at price 10. No, beta. No. 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 Yes. What I told you, yaar. I gave you very simple steps. Generally, what the people will do now? People always try to apply some shortcuts, right? Shortcuts are not valid at each and everywhere. You should know the conventional approach, right? Calculate the economic order quantity. The thing is that first of all, find out what EOQ solution. EOQ, economic order quantity, at purchasing price of what? 10. At purchasing price of 10 per unit, right? CH will become what? CH is what? 25% of this. CH is what? 25% of this. So CH is, sorry, rupees 9 per unit. Now CH is 9.0.25, right? So the economic order quantity is what? Economic order quantity is, here annual demand is given, right? 2 into ordering cost, that is what? 100. Demand is what? 2500, divide by CH, that is 9 into 0.25. 9 into 0.25. So it will become 471 units per order. But a wholesaler will give rupees 9 per unit when you purchase 500 or plus unit. But you want to purchase that much unit at that price, so worth less to find out the total material cost at this price, right? Similarly, find out the economic order quantity. Economic order quantity, okay, at purchasing price of what? 10 rupees per unit. So here CH will become what? CH will become what? Rupees 10 into 0.25 per unit per year, right? So here the economic order quantity will be what? Will be your 2, demand is what? That is 2500, okay, into ordering cost, that is 100, divide by 10 into 0.25. So you will get the economic order quantity. And what will be the economic order quantity here? The economic order quantity is 447. Again, it will become 447 units per order. Here this satisfy this condition, so you can find the TMC at 447 also. So find out the TMC. You know total material cost is what? Total material cost is purchasing price into demand plus number of order. So demand divided by Q, which you are purchasing, into C naught, plus into Q divided by 2 into CH. So my dear, here total material cost at find out 500, right? When Q equal to 500, right? At the rate of purchasing price rupees 9 per unit. Find out this. What will be the total material cost? Find out this, my dear. Find out this. What will be the total material cost? So the total material cost at 9 will be what? This is rupees 23562. 23562. Find out total material cost when you are purchasing Q equal to what? 447, right? At a purchasing price of what? At a purchasing price of 10, right? At a purchasing price of 10. So it will become 26118 rupees 26118. So here you can see this is the minimum. This is the minimum. So you can get what? You can select this. You can select. Okay, Q equal to 500 units. 500 units per order at purchasing price of rupees 9 per unit, right? At purchasing price of 9 per unit. Am I clear? Am I clear or not? Tell me. Am I clear? Yes. Am I clear? Tell me. Am I clear? Yes or no? Am I clear or not? Am I clear? Harshit, Roshan. Okay. Now we are moving to the next question. So this is your next question, my dear. It covers your next model. And what is the next model? Next model is economic production quantity. This question is based on your economic production quantity. This question yes, this question is based on your economic production quantity. Let's see who is going to solve this question. Let's see. So here I am going to provide you the time. How much time you need? I think 5 minutes is sufficient. Here your time starts now. Yes. Here your time starts now. Here your time starts now. Tell me. A company has a demand of 12,000 units per year. For an item, it can produce 2,000 such item per month. The cost of one setup is rupees 400 and the holding cost per unit per month is 0.15. Find the optimal lot size and the total cost per year. Find the optimal lot size and the total cost per year assuming the cost of 1 unit as rupees 4. Assuming the cost of 1 unit as rupees 4. And you have to also find the maximum inventory. And you have also find the maximum inventory. And you have also find the maximum inventory, my dear. Yes. Manufacturing time and total time. And if possible, draw the graph also. And if possible, draw the graph also. So it's 3 minutes 18 seconds, 17 seconds. Your time is running out. Basically, economic production quantity is what? A problem frequently encountered by the manufacturers by the manufacturers is to determine how many units of products, to produce during the production run, So this quantity is known as what? Economic production quantity. Okay, economic production quantity. Am I clear, my dear? Economic production quantity. So in a certain time of interval, you are producing, and basically production and consumption is going to be happen in a certain time period. After that, only consumption will come in the picture, right? After that, consumption will comes in a picture. So yes, find out. Yes. So 1 minute 40 seconds is remaining. Yes. Yes. Economic order quantity, somebody says that it is Roshan. Roshan Kumar says that, sir, it is 5656. Economic order quantity. No, my dear. It's not economic order quantity. Wrong. Your answer is totally wrong, my dear. Your answer is totally wrong. Your answer is totally wrong. Your answer is totally wrong. So your time is going to be end. Your time is going to be complete. Yes. Now, let me show you. A company has a demand of 12,000 unit per year. Okay. Solution. Basically, demand is what? 12,000 units per year. 12,000 units per year. And it can produce 2,000 such item per month. So he is manufacturing per month. So per year, how much he can manufacturing? 2,000 into 12. So it is 24,000 units per year. So this is a manufacturing, right? Now here ordering cost is given. Here ordering cost is given. This is what? Ordering cost is rupees 400 per order. Rupees 400 per order. Your holding cost is given. That is 0 point, but it is per month. So multiply. Okay, rupees 12 into 0.15 per unit per year. So it will become how much? It will become 1.8 rupees 1.8 per unit per year, right? Per unit per year. Now economic production quantity. Economic production quantity formula is very simple. That is root 2 C naught D divided by CH into root of what? Root of manufacturing M divided by M minus D. M divided by M minus D. Okay. Root M minus D. So here you have to put the value. So what it will be? 2 C naught is what? 400. Demand is what? 12,000. CH 1.8. Root of M, that is 24,000 divide by 24,000 minus 12,000, right? So my dear, it will become 3264 units per year, right? It will become 3264 units per order, not per year. It's a per order, per setup or per order, right? Per order or per setup. So this is what? Economic order quantity. Yes or no? This is the economic order quantity, right? Even if you want the total cost, so total cost is what? Purchasing price into demand, into root of 2 C naught D into CH multiply M minus D divided by what? M. So it will give you the total cost. So here P into D. P basically here P purchasing price. Purchasing price is given, that is 4 rupees. So 4 demand is what? 12,000 plus root of 2 C naught, that is 400, demand, that is 12,000 into CH, that is 1.8 multiply M, that is 2400 minus D 12,000, right? 12,000 divide by 24,000, right? 24,000. Am I clear? So when you are going to solve, the total material cost or total cost will be come out how much? 50,940 rupees, 50,940 per year. Now what do you have to find? You have to find the maximum inventory. Maximum inventory, my dear. So what is the maximum inventory? Optimal lot size and total. This is finished. Now also find the maximum inventory. So the maximum inventory is what? IMAX. IMAX is what? M minus D. IMAX is what? M minus D divided by M. M minus D divided by M into economic production quantity. Remember? Economic production quantity. So M minus D, so it will be come out 24,000 minus 12,000 divided by 24,000 into economic production quantity, that is 3264. How much it will become? 1632. Okay, it will become 1632, right? Maximum inventory will become 1632 units. 1632 units. This is what? Maximum inventory. Am I clear? Or tell me, is that point is clear? Maximum inventory is clear. Now my dear, you have to find what? Manufacturing time, that is what? T1. You have to find the manufacturing time, that is what? And so here the T1 is what? Manufacturing time, that is what? T1. Manufacturing time is what? T1. So how can you find the T1 manufacturing time? let's say I'm going to write T1 is what? T1 is a manufacturing time. Manufacturing time. Manufacturing time T1. So T1 is what, my dear? That is maximum inventory divided by M minus D. And maximum inventory is what? 1632. 1632 minus 24000 minus 12000. Right. So here 1632, here 1632 divided by 12000, so 0.136, right? 0.136 it will become, but in the year, so multiply by 12, so multiply by 12 also, you will get how much? 1.632 months, right? Months. This is the month. Okay. Now total time of cycle. Now total time of cycle. Total time of cycle. It's very clear that 1 by n naught, and n naught is what? That is 1 by D divided by economic production quantity. It will give you, so economic production quantity divided by D, if you multiply by 12 it will give you in month. It will give you in month. So here economic production quantity, right? Economic production quantity is 3264 divided by demand 12,000 into 12. So 3.26. So here 3.264 months. Right? Now, is that point is clear? Is that point is clear? Tell me everybody. Is that point is clear? Is that point is clear? Yes sir, no my dear? Are tell me. Do you know the graph also? Do you know how to draw the graph also? Do you know how to draw the graph also? Because graph is also important. Because sometime what happen na? By giving a graph, by only giving the graph, he will ask the several thing. He will ask the several thing. So you should know about the graph also. You should know about the graph also. So here inventory, or you can say quantity, right? Q. And here it is what? It is the time. It is the time. Right. So my dear, this is the consumption rate which I am showing here. This is the consumption rate. Right. This is the consumption rate. Okay. This is what? This is a consumption rate. And here I am drawing this line for my reference. Here I am drawing this line for my reference. Right. For my reference. So here we are going to what? We are going to manufacture also. We are going to manufacture also. Right. We are going to manufacture also. Suppose if you are only going to be manufacture. Suppose that if you are only going to be manufacture, right, then this thing will be happen. Right. Then this thing will be happen. This is what? This is the demand. And if you only the manufacture, then this will be the thing. But according to the manufacturing, consumption is also there. So the effective filling rate, so the effective filling rate of the inventory is, so the effective filling rate of the inventory is, my dear, let me show you the effective filling rate of the inventory. The effective filling rate of the inventory is what? This, right? The effective filling rate of the inventory is this, that is what? M minus D. This is the effective filling rate. And this is basically, this is what? This is the effect, sorry. Sorry. I have to, yes. The effective filling rate of the inventory is this, right? This is the effective filling inventory. This is what, my dear? M minus D. So in this cycle, this is a cycle in which you are getting the maximum inventory. This is the maximum inventory, right? This is a maximum inventory, and this is what? The complete cycle, that is T. Is that clear? Is that clear? Arey Baba, tell me, is that clear or no? Yes? Is that point is clear? Is that point is clear? Hello everybody. Are you listening? Is that point is clear? Is that point is clear? Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Solve this. Sir, in last, can you please write useful formula to solve this question? Beta, in the crash course, you have written now all the useful formula. Sure, if you want, I will write all the useful formula. Otherwise, Gatopedia. Do you have the Gatopedia? Roshan Kumar, do you have the Gatopedia? Dear, do you have the Gatopedia? Gatopedia is free. So in the Gatopedia, you will get all the formula. Gatopedia is available free. Then download the Gatopedia from the Physics Wallah, Physics Wallah app. From our app, you can download the Gatopedia. In Gatopedia, you will get the short notes of all the subject. Okay. Download the Gatopedia. This is the short handbook. In the short handbook, you will get all the formula. And me and my team has made the Gate of industrial engineering handbook. So you can see the Gatopedia. All the formula you will get. Even you will get some important point also, which is required in the exam point of view. Yes. Next question, please. Next question. Okay, I am giving some time. Here, how much time it required? 4 minutes is sufficient. Sorry. 4 minutes is sufficient for this question. 4 minutes is sufficient for this question. You are saying, no my dear, wrong answer. Your answer is wrong. Your answer is wrong. Yes, 100 is the right answer. Sorry, 1000 is the right answer. 1000 is the right answer. Thousand is the right answer. Roshan Kumar. Yes. An item is produced at the rate of 50 item per day. Here 50 item per day is there. Okay. Item is produced 50 item per day. The demand acquired at the rate of 25 per day. Okay, 25 per day is there. So demand is per day. That is 25 unit per day. Right. And manufacturing is what? 50 unit per day. Right. The demand occurs at the rate of the if the setup cost is, that is the ordering cost. This is what? This is the ordering cost, C naught or O, right? And holding cost, that is CH. Find the economic lot size one run assuming that shortage are not permitted. My dear, here the economic production quantity will be what? Economic production quantity will be what? Root 2 into C naught D divided by CH into root M divided by minus D. M minus D, because all the costs are what? Per day, right? M minus D. So here 2 into 100, demand is 25 divided by CH 0.01, okay, into M, that is what? 50 minus 25. So it will become how much? Okay, 2 into 100 into 25 divided by 0.01, 50 into 50, root of 50 divided 50 minus 25, it will become nearby 1000 units. 1000 units, right? Now find the economic lot size assuming that shortage. Okay, also find the time of cycle. How can we find the time of cycle? The time of cycle is what? 1 by n naught, and 1 by n naught is what? D by economic production quantity. Economic production quantity. So it will be what? It will be 1000. Okay, it will be 1000 unit divided by 25. So it will become how much? It will become 40 days. 40 days, right? 40 days. Now this is a time of cycle. Here minimum daily cost. Minimum daily cost. You have to find the minimum daily cost. So the minimum daily cost is what? Minimum daily cost. Daily cost is what? Root of 2 OD, root of 2 C naught D into CH into root of M minus D by M. So here 2 C naught is what? C naught is what? 100. Demand is what? 25. CH is what? 0.0. Okay, root of M minus D, that is 25 by 50. So it will become how much? it will be comes out 5 rupees. Rupees 5 per day, right? Rupees 5 per day, my dear. Rupees 5 per day, right? Now minimum total cost per run. You have to tell me the minimum total cost per run. Now minimum total cost, okay, per run. How many days you are running a cycle? 40 days. And daily cost is what? 5 rupees. So rupees 5 into 40. So this is what? Rupees 200. Rupees 200 per run. Okay. To run a cycle, you require how much? You need a 200 rupees. Am I clear? Am I clear? Yes or no? Okay? Yes or no? So, okay, my dear. That's it for this session. Thank you for watching this session.